Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to discuss in this video about the opening range breakout trading strategy. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update, intraday and strategy. The opening range breakout. That is what is simple and most of the people know about the strategy. So here I'm going to add some value how we select the stock for a opening range breakout. Let you watch this video till the end to get more information about opening range breakout trade strategy that will give you more profitable while if you are playing with the intraday trade strategy or intraday. Right, the ORB trading strategy, that is opening range breakout. So most of the players, they can use 15 minutes time frame. Some of them are using 30 minutes time frame or even hourly time frame or even 2 hours. So the most important thing, so we can use any kind of time frame as per our the availability of market or as per our expectation. We can use any time frame. So most people who use the first 15 minutes breakout, that will give you some better trade opportunity in intraday basis. They will get some good accuracy. So this video I'm going to discuss about how we are going to make a winning trade setup with a ORB strategy having more than 70-80% accuracy that we are going to. Whatever the strategy you are going to use, so we have to filter out the stocks, that kind of strategy. So the stock selection is very important. What are the strategies we are using? So here I'm going to select my stock first, then I'm going to apply my opening range. So the opening range breakout is nothing but so the range set in a specified time frame. So for example, if it is a 15 minutes time frame, so this is what a Nifty, where this is the first 15 minutes, this is what a 15 minutes opening range. So whatever the time frame, if you are using a 30 minutes, this first 30 minutes range should be your opening range. So according to your time frame, let's first select the stock. So we will go to find out a stock having good volume and also good volatility. So based on that, we can use that breakout kind of strategy. So first thing, those stock which have more movement expected, that is we can filter out by using ADX. So let's tell you that while using ADX, let's show you the ADX, that is what the daily ADX, that number is greater than 30. So that will give you the stock wasn't trending. So whether it is a buy trend or sell trend, we don't know. But using this this ADX filter, we will find out those stocks moving as a trending. So either it may be go up very fast or go down very fast. That is what first point where we are using the ADX. And the second parameter, what we are going to do, the ADX positive. You can find out there will be DMI, DI positive and DI minus negative. So where the DI positive is greater than the latest DMI negative or DI negative. Right, these are the directional movement index. So we call this a directional movement index, that is DMI. When the latest ADX DI positive is greater than latest ADX DI negative, these things which I am filtering out by daily basis. Right, on daily basis we got some bullish setup. This is for our bullish kind of trade where we are going to find out a breakout trade using ORB. So now I hit the run button. So we are going to trade with the futures. I use futures. I'm going to filter out now. So when I use this scanner in the morning after 9:50 or so after 9:30, that is the first 15 minutes candle closes. So we will get those stocks having this setup. So because these stocks are a bullish stocks where we are going to trade the we filter these stocks for a bullish because the daily ADX is greater than 30 and also the DMI positive is greater than the DMI negative. So these stocks which we are focusing for a bullish kind of trade. So now so we are recording around 2 o'clock now. So when you use this strategy, so you can just open at the morning and run the scanners, or you can create the scanner. It's a simple one using charting. Once you created a scan, just hit the run button, so you will be find out those stock which is filtered by this ADX and ADX DMI parameter. We are selecting this stock for a bullish kind of trade. Now today SRF is increased more than 8% and Tech Mahindra increased 8%, Dr. Lal Path increased 7%. So when you are focusing those stocks which is standing in the front, so you will focus that stock whether it is breaking about your ORB strategy. This stock if you are selecting, let's show you SRF. This is the first one. I will SRF. Let's see, this is what the first 15 minutes is. The first 15 minutes itself it shows that the ORB index. Check that the first minute high is around 8,314, the low is 7,930. Most reaches around 400 point is the opening range for. So if you are going to take this much of risk, or you can do trade with equity with the fixed risk reward ratio. That means so you can fix your quantity by equity based on our risk factor. So if you are going to take 1,000 rupees risk, just to do just 2.5 shares for this one, right? When the market is breaks above that ORB range, it gives you from 8314 and it moves the maximum of 8724, right? So when it from this particular point of 8314 it is moving near about 8724, almost 400 points. If you are taking the risk of 400, that is giving you 1:1 risk reward ratio. That is very simple. And you see the same stock which is giving you the breakout by yesterday, and here it gives you some failure breakout, but we are not going to select this stock for a selling breakout because this stock is strong bullish, so we will go for only buying. So whether it is if the stock breaks below that low, so we don't focus for a selling opportunity. Again it gives you buy over around yesterday's level, around 7839 with the stop loss below 77. So again it was working using the 15 minutes. So we are applied here indicator, so you can fix your time frame. So I'm just applied for a first 15 minutes, so you can use for a 30 minutes or 40 minutes, whatever the time frame you require. So if you change it, so the 30 minutes I is 8448. So once it broken above that 8448, again it will be plot the lines based on your time frame. So you can choose any number or any time frame. Let's move on the first 15 minutes that gives you. And second stock which is Tech Mahindra, so that was in news, that moves very big. Here Tech Mahindra initially the opening range very big. So when you find out those stocks the opening range is normal, then you can focus for a trade because this gives you the bigger risk from around 1,200 to 1,175. This was happening due to the result, so that is what a gap up and opening itself it creates a bigger range. So you just keep follow that ranges. And let's take Dr. Lal Path. Again see that the stocks forms a high and low. Today is around 3,760 and 3,650. Initially it breaks the low, but these stocks we selected for a breakout higher than upper level, so we breaked around 3,759. Now it is 100 points breakout point. And let's take in the middle of the stock. Let's try to take Granules and Mari. So when you find out the top stocks, that will give you some great idea to make your intraday breakout. That is what ORB find out. Whether here it is breaking down, this is what a failure, but we are not selecting this stock for a breakdown trade or a selling breakout. We are focusing only for a buying breakout on this stock. When it happened around 12:30, from 5:37 it 5 rupees. So what is our stock stop loss is around 8 point. So even we can wait for another 8 point move. Another one, Granules. Take this stock was breakout again here. Then the next 50, after that it was trading a very flat, and again second time it gives breakout, but still it is not given any stop loss at all. Still it is the running. So that is why I say to you, so you select the stocks which is trading in the top gainer side. You can focus for a breakout that will give some clear idea to make your intraday trade opportunity. I hope this may be useful video. And again, second point, so if you want to follow the stock which is for a bearish breakout, you simply change that the ADX part is positive is less than ADX negative. So this will turn you the stock which is you are focusing for a bearish breakout. That is what a sell breakout. So how many stocks is there? So don't go for a top gainer. You can start from the top loser. The first one is Cholamandalam and second one is Colgate Palmolive. Let's check Cholamandalam investment. So the first biggest 15 minutes candle is around 490 to 20 points. Still it is not broken that low, so we didn't get any trade opportunity. So whether if it is breaking above the higher level, so we don't go for a buying trade, because these stocks we are selecting for selling opportunity based on the DMI path. So here also we didn't get any trade opportunity, the big candle. But if you check that yesterday's ORB, that was well and good from almost 74, some 50-60 points. It moved down from trade point. So using that ADX parameter and also DMI, so you can filter out the first the stock and then you can go for B kind of. So if you like this video, you can like and share to your any comment on this. Thanks for watching.